We've been snoozing on the content, but you know, we here.
Look, everybody.
Team BrujoPerformance, right, Chencho?
Yeah.
Cleaning some rotors.
You know what I mean?
Nothing crazy.
So how do you clean the rotor out, Chencho? How do you do it?
Gotta clean the outside. Yeah, you gotta get between the hose.
Get deep in the holes?
Yes.
That's it.
Get deep in there, guys, to stop playing around.
I'm already
dog.
done with it.
You're fucking around.
I'm already done. I just finished.
Now let's see if he remembers the last one.
Oh,
he does.
Oh. He's learning. Oh, professional.
I don't blame him. I don't blame him. Look what we got.
Whoa.
Happy birthday to
Oh.
Your birthday? Yeah, then you gotta drink a shot. I'm trying to scrub this off, man.
Chief.
Really? But the man right here, probably the mechanic. Everything, man, the master plan. For that motherfucker, nigga, we are not rag, nigga. My mama, nigga.
Diablo.
That's what we on, bro. Hey, we running sevens, man.
790.
Hey, I'll get drunk, nigga. Fuck it.
780.
780, 90, we celebrating.
750.
Blew on my fucking performance.
750, nigga, 750.
Hell, it's my birthday.
Cuando tú escuchas un carro que tiene una liga, tiene los pulmones así por fuera, que tú lo escuchas en la calle, así escuchas eso adentro. Oye, no me gusta ese ruido.
It's only a fucking baby turbo compared. Wow.
Grill,
I see.
just in case, bro.
Just in case we, you know. And then Chris got another show for us too.
Yup, we got backup show just in case.
Tenemos otra caja también que este tiene guardadito.
Oh, she's leaking somewhere. That's a lot. Oh, that fitting.
That's the fitting you built, Garito?
Maybe.
Which one? This one?
No.
This one? Yep. No, I didn't. It's loose, probably.
God.
Yep. Who the fuck put that fitting on?
Hey, who did it? Who did it? Who did that? Who put that fitting on? Who put that fitting on? Who put that fitting on? Dog. Who's the mechanic, dog?
This is only at a Jolly Racing Shop.
No. Hey, sometimes it happens, dog. It ain't nothing crazy. Ain't nothing crazy. It ain't nothing
No more
crazy.
smoking for you. Blue said no more smoking weed, dog.
You gotta retire.
No weed in cars.
I mean, you can do weed in cars. Fitting guy.
That's the one you did, Pop?
Yeah.
You look on all the feedings?